And good afternoon, this is Natalie with Discover Real Estate. I'm going to give you a tour of another street in San Juan del Sur. Okay, I am outside of La Tostaderia. My office is down this street, one block on the left. So I'll give you an idea where we're at. We're on the beachfront street. So the restaurant across from here, Buen Gusto, is on the beach. So this is a very good restaurant. And they're great. And La Tostaderia is a hostel. And then they have a restaurant and coffee shop and very good food. They have the best avocado toast. They put a whole avocado on a slice of sourdough bread and it's fantastic. And here is El Train. It's a restaurant, or not a restaurant, it's a hotel. So it's pretty popular. But this yellow building with the red doors, that's like the back side of La Tostaderia. It's a big property. So. But the Tostaderia isn't in this part. Well, their kitchen's in part of this back here. But this is a very pretty street. This building here on the left is called Casa Mimi, and it's beautiful. Wait till I show you this. It's a historic house here. It's currently being used as a hostel. So the Looking Good hostel. So it's an old wooden house. It's a really cool property, and there's a pool in the back. There's 2 floors. So across the street are a couple of hostels and little stores. So it's just a residence here. And then you've got, here on the left, you've got an empty lot. There was an old building here. They tore it down. It's available if someone wants to buy it. But there was a guy who was going to develop it. And then across the street, we have the Super Fruto Gelato. Very, very good gelato. Got clients out there. So. And they have a beauty salon, motorcycle rentals. And then this here is the beginning of Ikai. In here they have their room rentals. So this is the desk where you rent rooms. There's rooms back here and upstairs, and then the restaurant part is forward here. And across the street they also have a candy store, but it's not open right now. So here is Ikai Restaurant, which is a very good restaurant. I love their cappuccino here. This was always a favorite place of mine for Sunday morning breakfast. And you have One Way Fashion across the street, which is also not open, but they have a lot of nice stuff. Here on the corner you have SOS Deli, so they have great deli sandwiches and stuff. Across the street you got the Bohemian, and then you've got a tattoo place. He does tattoos and piercing. You have Munkel, the eyeglass place, so you can get your eyes examined. They got several little general stores here with just all kinds of stuff in it. So another little store. Motorbike rentals. Here you have Maggie's Steakhouse. This is very good steak here. She does a fantastic tomahawk steak. It's a very nice steakhouse there. She got a nice garden setting in the back. This is Repubblica. They're kind of open, not really open, so I don't know what they're doing in there. Maybe they're not open yet for the evening. So we've got Luna Bella Spa, and also they teach Spanish classes over there. So more stores. You have a pharmacy here. So it's a nice little pharmacy. Amano is another custom clothing store. They make their clothing here. Over here you have Munchie's Pizza. And there on the corner you have Nika Naturals, which is one of my favorite stores in town. So, and here is the Municipal Market. So there's restaurants in there, and around the back is fruit and vegetable stands. So And this is where you get the buses to go to Rivas or Managua. The buses always hang out here. And they put all kinds of stuff on the buses to transport them. Here's a veterinarian's shop, and you can buy all kinds of animal food here, and they can treat your pets and stuff. So they've got lots of medicine, lots of different foods. This is the back entrance into the municipal market. Across the street you have Cerveceria, so they have a brewery in there. Show you the brewery. So they've got the brew tags up there. So they have lots of fantastic beer here in the Cerveceria. And then you just, along this street here, you have more hostels. You have Urban Pets, which is a place to get pet food and stuff like that. So, and then the big thing you have here is Gabby's Laundry. That's a very popular place for a lot of people to get their laundry done. And they also do massages there. So, and then here is a Libreria, which is like a office supply, book supply, school supply place. Voila, another hostel here. Beauty supply place across the street. And then here's just a couple houses. But down here on the corner across the street is the chiropractor, the Elixir Center. So, and then this person here is always doing, we call them the chicken ladies, because they're always selling grilled food in the evenings and stuff. There's Happy House Hostel. So here is the chiropractor Andrew, and they do massages, and this is where I buy Epsom salts and lots of vitamins and stuff in there. And then a little bit further down this street is the warehouse for the Fight Club gym. So there's the sign, Fight Club gym is in that big warehouse. So this concludes the tour of this street. I love my life. Come join me.